You ready, Haley? You want a pink one and a yellow? Let's do pink first. Watch this, Haley.
Do you want the scooper to get it out?
Oh, you put it in?
Yeah, you put it in all the way.
Whoa.
Oh no! Put another one in another color. I don't think we're gonna have any green ones. We'll have a partial green. Let it sit and we'll... Oh.
We need to give her a really good bath time.
We will. Or in the morning. Help her, Matt. There's a scooper thing over here, right here, that you're supposed to be able to scoop it out with. It might be easier just to grab it with your hands.
This good, or do you want me to keep it going?
I think that one's good. Put it back in the carton. No, in the egg carton.
No, I think you're good on that side.
Oh. Your hands are gonna be blue too.
Can I put 2 colors in?
If you want, yeah. Eva's not gonna think it's as funny as we do. Hey, Matt, she has paper in her mouth.
The blue one turned out pretty good.
Yeah. Ooh, that one's pretty. Hold her up so I can see her butt. She's a little green monster. Okay, help her finish dyeing her eggs.
How about you help her?
Okay.
Look, Haley, we have 5 eggs being dyed. Are you ready to take one out? Is the paper yummy? Yeah, maybe we can. Hi, Daddy.
Okay, this is not good. Haley, I think we might be in trouble. Hey, Haley.